Alright, so in today's video, I'll be showing you all how to properly change your catfish pond water. For many of us that are into the plastic pond, the tarpaulin pond, the concrete pond, the wooden pond, this process is for you. So many of us do not know the ideal way to change our catfish pond water, which eventually leads to mass mortality. Nothing kills fish faster than stress. When you stress your catfish, it ends in mortality. So when you're about to change your catfish pond water, remember to allow their feed to have digested in their stomach properly before reducing their water, before changing their water. So when their water gets to the foot level like this, you leave the outlet open. So many of us make this mistake. Once our water get to the foot level like this, we just close it, then we top it up back. It is very, very wrong. There are some feces, there are some leftover feet that are still beneath the pond that have not passed out properly. So you need to leave your outlet open, then you open your inlet where the fresh water comes in. You open it down, you open both down. So as the new fresh water is coming in, the dirty ones are going out. So you need to wait. You need to wait till the water turns white. While changing your pond water, you don't have to be in hurry. If you don't have time to do it, leave it and come back till when you have time to do it. When changing your catfish pond water, do not be in hurry. So once you open your inlet like this, also leave your outlet open till the water turns white. As you are seeing them as they are playing like this, they are using their body to pass out, to flush out the dirty, the remnants are they are left in the pond. You understand? So while changing your pond water, once it gets to the foot level like this, leave your outlet open and also open your inlet till the water turns white. You would know, you would see by yourself. That is why I do recommend white tarpaulin pond, white plastic pond, so as to enable you to see your fish properly, to know when your water is properly clean. So this is the ideal way to change your catfish pond water. Once it turns white, then you can then close your outlet, then leave your inlet open. And once your water gets to the proper level you want it to get to, you can then close your inlet, then wait for some hours before feeding them. So that will be that for today. I believe you've gotten value from today's video once again. Remember to share this video. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.